Hello wonderful people, you're welcome back to another dynamic video. You're welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Nick Asa. In today's video I thought I should share with you how I film my YouTube videos, every step that I take before I'm able to upload a video to you. I'm doing this because I thought in 2025 maybe you are planning to start a YouTube channel with possibly something that you like doing best, or something that you are good at and you are planning to explore with it on YouTube. This video might be of help to you. Stay till the end of this video. So the only tools that I film my YouTube videos with is my Samsung Galaxy A14. So if you could see, my videos are not of the highest quality, but they are manageable. I'm using Samsung Galaxy A14 in shooting my videos. I also use a lapel microphone, precisely this type is what I used in supporting my voice, my volume. Okay, so I also use the sunlight because I don't have that professional light, so I use sunlight in shooting a video. So anytime I'm shooting a video, I make sure that there is a good brightness around before I make a move. Now the next thing I use is my tripod stand, which is not that professional, but it's manageable. So I'm using that tripod stand because it's just me shooting all by myself, and normally I do shoot with the front camera. The next thing that assists me in my YouTubing is my laptop. Yes, and the editing app I'm using is the CapCut editing application. So of late I was using Filmora 9 and upgraded to the 13, and the 13 is embedded with a lot of crazy stuff that I couldn't, so I have to switch to CapCut. And CapCut is amazing. It's an amazing editing app. So if you're wondering which app you were to use in editing your video, I recommend CapCut application for you. So before I shoot a video, I will look for a content or a topic that I want to shoot a video about, and after I have found one, then I write a script about that particular topic or content. So after the script, then I make sure that I will give it to ChatGPT to modify the script for me. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's actually an AI tool that can write anything at all that you want, that you ask it to write, it will write for you, and even generate pictures, images for you. So I will ask ChatGPT to modify my script for me to make it more professional, so that it will be a little enticing. Of course, with this video I'm not using a ChatGPT script, I'm just flowing. All right, so after the script, I'll make sure that I'll clean my front camera, make sure that it's well cleaned, and position it on my tripod stand. I will also fix my lapel microphone and try to see if it gives a very good sound. Then I will proceed to the next step. Okay, so because I wrote my own script, what I do is I skim through the script, because I know whatever I'm supposed to say in that script. So I skim through the script for like some few minutes, and then I'll make sure I grasp everything that I intend to say in that script. Okay, so after making sure that I've gone through the script and have had enough of the information that would enable me to flow easily, making sure that my camera is well clean and well positioned on the tripod stand, I start filming my video. And here is what I do. I do not immediately start talking the moment I press start. I make sure that I give myself some few minutes before I start talking. This is because during editing it will be very easy for me to trim off certain parts of the video that did not go well. Situation where you start talking the moment you press enter, in case some part of the video did not go well and you need to also have that information in the video, you would have no option than to trim some part of the video that is in a relevant action. So doing this will enable you to carry out a very easy editing. Okay, so I do not typically look at myself whenever I'm filming a video. I understand that many content creators or individuals often look at themselves whenever they are recording, as it's natural to want to check how you look on camera. Of course, there's a temptation to glance at your reflection, whether it's to check your facial expression or assess your posture, or to make sure that your smile is intact, that is, you have a good smile in the camera. So all these are understandable urges since we want to appear well on camera. However, I try as much as I can not to look at myself whenever I'm recording a video. I rather focus on looking directly into the camera lens. So by doing this, I create a connection with my audience as though making eye contact with them. This helps the interaction to feel more personal and engaging, as if you are speaking directly to someone rather than just performing for a camera. So if you are filming or recording a video, make sure you have your eyes centered right in the lens of the camera rather than looking at your expressions in the video. So let me take you to my computer and show you how I carry out my editing. Okay guys, this is the CapCut editing application. The moment you open the application, this is the interface. So the videos you see down here, videos I've already edited, but if you want to work on them again, you choose any of them. You can also decide to delete all these videos. These are the options, so you just click on it and then these options will pop up for you if you want to delete all these videos. Okay, so for you to start a new editing, you will click on create project and then you wait for some few minutes for the main app to launch. Okay, so this is it. And on the CapCut application, there are a lot of options that you can explore here. We have media, audio, text, stickers, effect, transition, caption, filters, and a lot more. Okay, so in this video, I'm not actually going to teach you every bit of a thing that you need to know using this app. You can explore that in your own convenience. So I'm actually showing you how I edit my videos. Okay, so you click on import. Okay, import will send you to your main system drive so that you can import any video that you want to work on. So for the purpose of this video, I want to select a video that I want to okay, so I'm only looking for a video to use. Okay, so I'm selecting one of these videos that I've already edited. Then you click on open. Okay, then the next thing I do is I continue to bring on board all the things that I will need in editing my videos. So normally I use the subscribe button, actions on the screen, So I bring everything on board, then I start my editing. Let's go to, so if you're using a picture for your thumbnail, that one I recommend Canva application. So this is what I use for my subscribe. I'll click on it, import it, and then I do. So you will continue to, you will do this, you will import all the files that you need to assist you in your editing, and you can play a preview of the video here.
So drinking water,
yes, to see how that video is doing. So what you're going to do next is you're going to drag this video onto the timeline. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. So you drag the video on the timeline, and if you want to also use a new background for your video, the only thing you will do is you will bring you will import the background, and then you will place the background on the timeline, and then you put the video file on top of the background. So it will look like this, and the background will be on the timeline. And then you come here, remove background, and then you remove the background of your original video and maintain that of the one that you want to use. So this is how I edit my videos. It will take time. If I want to show off everything here, it's going to take a lot of our time. So you go to import. One thing is, if you want to add audios, in CapCut has recommended audios for you. You can click on them and explore. If you want to use a caption, you can also click on captions and then display what you're saying in a writing form. Transitions has a lot of options for you. You can also utilize them. You can also utilize all this. If you want to blur your background, you can do all these things here. Yeah, so this is how I go about doing editing my videos using the CapCut application. For the sake of time, let me see if I can try to. Okay, so let's say I want to add a subscribe button on my video. This is how I'm going to do it. Yes, and it will appear like this, covering the surface of the video. So here's what you're going to do. You click on it, then you come all the way to remove background. I think it's already highlighted. So remove background, you click on chroma key, then you bring the chroma key on the screen. It will remove the green screen for you to be able to edit your video. So you see, it's now displaying
long-term exposure to sun.
And if you want to adjust the size, it's a matter of just resizing it and position it well where it can be shown clearly. It can be shown clearly so that you
sunlight may even.
Yes, so all these things are not difficult. I will take time and then take you through the steps one after the other, but for the purpose of today's video, I just want to give you a preview of how I go about my editing. Alright, okay guys, so this is what I do to get my videos prepared anytime that I want to upload, using CapCut application, editing application to edit my videos. Okay, it's simple, it's not difficult to use. So in 2025, if you are looking forward to start a niche on YouTube, you can use CapCut editing application to do that. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, I will encourage you to subscribe, like, and share, as more relevant content will keep following. Okay, so this is all I have for today. There are more to come. Stay tuned to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.